How to fix Huawei mobile phone smart view not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection will be worked properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down in last. And here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.